All right, welcome you back. This is Crypto Bond. So on this episode, I will show you how you can make money on BTC USD. Everybody is talking about BTC USD right now. So I will show you how you can capitalize off BTC USD. As you can see, this is BTC USD chart. So this is higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So it's supposed to give us higher low here. Like it shouldn't break this place. It should give us something of higher low, then we should upside. This is what we're supposed to have on BTC USD, but we break it. So what can we do? We leave it. So move on to the next trade because we follow the market, we predict the market, we don't tell the market what to do. So it shouldn't break this place. Or as should have as it has break this place, we should be waiting for something like this. You are waiting for a sell. If you are buying BTC USD right now, that means you are telling the market to buy and the market is selling. So you have lower low. So what you have is lower high, then another lower low push it upside. This is what you are expecting on BTC USD right now. So if anybody is telling you to buy BTC, be very careful in buying BTC because this is what you are having on the monthly time frame. It may be bullish on the weekly, on the daily, on the 4 hour, but on the monthly time frame, you're having a bearish trend unless we have something like this. Lower high, lower high. So maybe you have something like this high. So it give us maybe higher low. You know, this is low, this low we have. So if this low doesn't break it, that gives us higher low and high, then another trend has begun. But if it doesn't do something like this in the first place, never buy BTC USD. This is what it should give you before you can see I want to buy BTC USD. So be very cautious on what you do on BTC USD. That's how you can make money on BTC USD. If we don't have something like this on BTC USD, please don't try to buy BTC USD. You're having something like this on BTC USD. So this is the normal plan of BTC USD. Continue selling. So if you have, unless you have something like this stop buying BTC USD, sell, look for sell. And if you scale down to the lower time frame, which is weekly time frame, it's also bearish because this you're having series of lower lows and lower high, lower low, lower high. So lower low, what does it? Lower low won't be giving us higher high or higher low. Surely it's going to give us lower high, then push to the downside. That's what downtrend is. Unless we have something like this, either this, then break this place. We can be buying BTC or you give us something like this. Let me clear my chart. Unless we have something like this. Sorry, I think I've done this one before. So let me clear. Sorry. If you want to buy BTC USD, make sure you see this pattern. So you have this. So if you see this pattern, then go ahead and buy BTC USD. Make some money for yourself. Or you see something like this. Let me just chat itself. It's either you see something like this. That's the first case scenario. And before BTC USD can break this high, it will be a very, very long week because this was 3 weeks of selling. It can't just be broken by 1 week of buying. So before BTC USD break this place, we have a very long week of buying pressure before you can see a candle that breaks this place. You can see a candle that breaks this place. It will be like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, which is like something of 21 days. You know, 21 days is very, very fast. That means this week, next week, upper next week, will be like around March before this thing can happen. But If you don't see something like this, you scale down to like maybe a daily time frame, or you can still stay on weekly time frame. If you see something like this, you're having something like this. So you see something like this, yeah, you can start buying because you are having series of higher highs and higher lows. So it's either we have A or B. So I'm expecting B because B is very simple. You can easily have maybe this week bullish, then next week bearish, and upper next week bullish. Then we start buying. That's what we can have. This is the possible way we can have. We can also have this, but it will be a very long way before you can see this. This is a very short one, like very this thing can happen this week and next week. So I'm start buying next week, upper next week. That's the way to make money. So if you enjoy watching the video, make sure you like, subscribe, and share to your friends and family on how to make money on BTC USD right now. So I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.